Welcome back to another episode of Baking with a Toddler. But this one is the quarantine edition, self-isolation. With me, I have Master Bryce. Brycey, what are we gonna do today?
Cookies!
We're gonna bake cookies. Are you excited?
Mm-hmm.
Yes. Have you been waiting a long time to make cookies again?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
And we also have Miss Jordan Love. She's sitting up in her high chair today. And she's gonna be a good girl. A sweet girl while we bake cookies. Right, Brycey?
Yes, I like cookies.
Yes! We'd originally planned to make really cool spring cookies in preparation for Easter and all of that, but these are still spring cookies. They're just, you know, cookies that we'll be eating inside.
Hi.
All on our own.
Mommy, I need water in it.
We are starting off with sugar cookie mix. I learned my lesson to not work from scratch anymore. So we're gonna do cutout cookies. So we need 1 stick of butter, margarine, or spread. This is plant butter because certain people in my house cannot handle real butter. And 1 egg. And we'll also need some flour for when we're rolling it out. Brycey, what's your favorite thing about making cookies? Aw, with me?
Mommy.
Thank you, Bryce. Hi, Jordan. We dropped our ducky and our squishy turtle book. Add the tablespoons of flour to the mix. Whoa, Jordan. You're being such a good helper. 3 tablespoons of flour into the mix.
Yeah.
We're rationing flour because flour is hard to come by nowadays. So I've got this small bag and 1 medium-sized bag until we can find some more. Spoon and a spatula. Here's our butter that's already been softened.
Duck.
Yes.
And stir. And a star.
Help mommy stir, please.
Okay.
Come closer to mommy. This one. Oh, not with this one.
You're making stars?
We're making cookies. This is what it starts out looking like. You gonna mix up your shapes in there while mommy's mixing these?
I don't want these to do.
Okay. Let mommy help you.
No.
Yes. Jordan, love.
Where's this one? I want this one.
Nope, not in here, please. Not yet. Thank you.
Here?
Yes, you can play with that in there.
Do what this?
Just pretend, Brycey. I have to let Jordan roam because she was not happy. We're gonna be using this to shape our cookies. Brycey, no trucks on the kitchen, please. Okay, thank you.
Thank you. I want to help you.
Hold on. Okay, thank you, Bryce. You're doing a good job, Bryce. Just be careful, okay? Mommy doesn't want you to hurt yourself.
Whoa!
Whoa! You did it? Gotta do it with 1 hand. My teething girl is not happy. Can I use this, please?
Nope.
Thank you. Baking sugar cookies, baking sugar cookies, baking sugar cookies with my Brycey boy.
I like eating
Oh,
it.
sorry. No, do not eat that. All right, and then we bake them 5 to 7 minutes and let them cool 2 minutes. You wanted to cook, you wanted to bake cookies. We just had a mini meltdown.
Nuggets?
Fries and nuggets?
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
Mommy?
Want to taste the cookie? So now we have our first batch of cookies that are out of the oven. And I'm gonna get started on the decorations that we're making for these spring cookies. Let me show you what we're doing.
One. Wow. Good.
Let's look at our marshmallows. What color marshmallows do we have?
Good. Wow. Wow. Thick.
And green. What color icing do we want?
White.
You just want white icing?
Yes.
Okay, well then we don't need any of these colors. And we'll put these on top?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Mommy likes that plan. And these are completely cooled. We're waiting for those back there to cool. But in the meantime, I'm gonna ice these so we can put our marshmallows on them. This isn't too bad. Maybe I should use a knife to do this though.
I want the marshmallows.
Yeah. Here, you can have that icing.
Whoa.
Is that good?
Mm-hmm.
You're just gonna stay down there in your seat and eat it?
Mm-hmm.
Probably shouldn't let him eat the icing. But hey, it's gonna be nap time soon anyway. So we good. These cookies came out better than I expected. Way better than those Christmas cookies we made. You are killing that icing. Brycey, do you love icing? Aww. Mommy likes icing too, but not that much. This was one of my favorite things to do when I was a child. Baking / helping my mother in the kitchen. You are such a sweet boy. So we have our Lucky Charms Magically Delicious Marshmallows. We were gonna do a St. Patrick's Day treat, but then everything got shut down. What shape is that?
Star.
Good job.
I want our wow one.
You want another yellow one? There you go. Bryce, what's your favorite color?
White.
White is your favorite color. Mommy's favorite color is blue.
Oh.
Oh.
And that is that.
It may be black. He wears a lot of black. Are the yellow ones the best ones? What does it taste like?
Like Darcy.
Like what?
Like dinner.
It tastes like dinner? Oh boy, I don't know if I want a marshmallow that tastes like dinner, Brycey.
I want our wow one.
What's the magic word?
These?
Nap time should be fun today.
I want our wow one.
Brycey, you can only have one more. So this is your last marshmallow. And rainbow sprinkles. I doubt Daddy's gonna eat these. So we're gonna have all of the good stuff. Hi. Did you have fun baking today? What did you make?
Toddlers and the nuggets.
You made French fries and chicken nuggets?
Yes, you, Mommy.
But I thought we made cookies. This is the finished result. Those are our cookies. We used the sugar cookie mix and Lucky Charms marshmallows. And we threw some rainbow sprinkles on there, and that's what we got.
Ow. Mmm. Hi. I like diet. Mister.
Mister?
Mister. Mmm.
Mmm. That is good.
Mmm.
It's good with the icing, right? Mmm.
I like the box one.
You can have a big boy one after dinner.
No!
Oh no. So thanks for watching Baking with a Toddler today. We appreciate you. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed already, please hit that subscribe button. It is completely free, and it'll just tell you when we have more videos coming up.
Ow.
What do you want to bake next time?
That is not time.
You want to bake fries next time? Okay, and do you want to bake with mommy or daddy next time?
Yes, I like with mommy and daddy. That's time.
Oh, mommy and daddy? That'll be interesting.
Yes.
All right,
Mommy.
guys. Thanks for watching. See you next time.
Do not